I'm Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University, Lucknow. Today, in this session, we will deal with the strategy implementation through values and ethics in a organization. Before going through this strategy implementation, because we know what is strategy, how we have to implement, we know various types of strategy which is to be implemented in the organization. So, what is the role of values and ethics? So, before going through, we should know about what is value, what is ethics. Values is basically personal values. Refers to a conception of what an individual or a group regards as desirable. A value is a view of life. View of life. It's a view of life. And a judgment of what is desirable, which is very much a part of a person's personality and a group's moral. Personal values are embedded from parents, teachers and elders, and as an individual grows, values are adopted and refined in the light of new knowledge and experience. The view of life by the values, by the knowledge, traditions, a lot of things is developed. So, if we have to look after in the terms of the organization, so within the organization, values are implemented by the founder entrepreneur. Values are implemented from founder entrepreneur. Who have started this thing? Founder entrepreneur. Founder entrepreneur. Or if the formal entrepreneur is not be there, then dominant chief executive. And these remain in some form a long time after that person is not there. This is basically the values. Now, what is ethics? Ethics is the discipline of management studies. Discipline of management studies. Discipline of management studies. Management studies. Business ethics is the study of how personal moral norms apply to activities and goals of a commercial entrepreneur. Our, basically the management, business ethics, how we have to implement. It is not a separate moral standard, very clear, but the study of how the business context poses its own unique problems for the moral person who act as the agent of this system. This is generally the theory concept is to be there. But whenever we have to come down on the values of the ethics, on the practically, business ethics operates as a system of values and is concerned primarily with the relationship of business goals and techniques to specifically human needs. Clear? Again. So, ethics is concerned with viewing the need and aspiration of individuals not merely as individual but as a part of the society. So, this is the one. So, that means realization of the personal dignity of human beings is known as basically the ethics, and by the values of the ethics we have to do it. Now, why we have to implement these things? Why we need the values and ethics in the terms of the strategy implementation? Because both the twin issues of values and business ethics have come to occupy the center stage of management. Later on, maybe initially you have developed certain concept, if you have started the vision of that company. So you have developed these things. So in the international organizations such as World Bank, Indian mutual funds are concerned about the whether their aid provided by them is used for the intended purpose or not. Basically, you are take up some money, some value, some people are also affiliated with that. So maybe possible. Initially, you have taken a very good vision was there. Then after you have to do the very strange things is to be taken place. But as the things go on, your value will changed, and now you think you should take up some earn. Then the ethical values is to be downside. Is to be there. So if we have to think of, because I will just discuss. But the main thing is to be there, whatever the values, whatever the culture, whatever the tradition is to be there, we should know the types of values also. Because every person who are in the institution or outside of the institution, they have certain values. This is the certain values, maybe the concept taking place, some terminal values also, some Hilka values also, because whatever the concept, whatever the tradition, whatever the knowledge is to be there, we should take care accordingly. Because in the values, something is terminal values, old age, terminal, and second is instrumental. So, both the values create the value system toward the side of the institutions. And in the institution, we have to implement by the means of the strategy implementations. So, if we have taken the terminal values are comfortable life, sense of accomplishment, family security. These are the values which is to be terminal values. Then social recognition, mature love, self-respect, wisdom, exciting lives, true friendships, a word of peace. These are the certain things. A word of beauty, inner harmony, happiness, equality. This type of things is to be there. So in this, whatever the values, whatever the clause is to be there, and if this type of values we have, so what is the, how we can increase, how we can say, we can decorate our terminal values, because then only we can apply these values and ethics in the terms of the organization development. So whatever, if instrumental, something decorative formations, we have the will, but here in the instrumental we have to put down certain things like ambitious. Then we should be very cleanliness should be taking place. Then capable, forwardings, then magnetives, then self-controlled. This type of things is to be instrumental values. And we have been already discussed that values and ethics both, because values is coming from our parents, our dignities to be. Because if what are the sources? The sources is family factors, social factors, personal factors, cultural factors, or life experiences, role, religious factors. This is the problem. So is there any business role, business values, business traditions, this to be really played out? Because if our values, our traditions is not as per the standard, whether we can say that this thing can be really appreciated in that way? Because values and ethics, अगर आपने गीता पढ़ी होगी, भगवत गीता, सर्टेन वहाँ पे कुछ जैसे फॉर्मूलास दिए जाते हैं, कभी कभी हम लोग कभी कभी किसी सिद्धांत को भी लेते हैं. तो if one thing was there that धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेता युग सभा मामका पांडवाश्य किम कुरुत संजय. If we have to listen down these things, धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र है, अंग्रेजी बहुत है, ऐसे ही कई चीजें और उन्होंने बताई. लोग कहते हैं हमें कमाना है, बहुत पैसा कमाना है, इतना कमाना है, हमारी पीढ़ियों तक वो चीजें आनी है, हमें कभी पैसे की मतलब कमी ना पड़े, ये सब. But for what? Traditions and values, ethics and culture इथिक्स कहता है नैनम छिंदन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनम दहति पावका नैनम क्लोदन्ति मारुत न शोषति मारुता। मतलब हम सबके अंदर एक आत्मा है जिसे ना कोई मार सकता है ना कोई जला सकता है। तो अगर ऐसी है और शरीर जन्म लेता है बार बार, आत्मा अजर अमर है, ये जो ट्रेडिशंस ने बताया। सो वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज, वॉट एवर द कल्चर, वॉट एवर द एथिक्स वी आर इम्प्लीमेंटेड, it is a very important task is to be there in the human system, human values. So if we have to look after the Indian scenarios, there are significant social, cultural, political, technological and economical factors affecting the state of personal values and business ethics in the present industry manuals. Really, corporate governance has attracted worldwide attention as a means to introduce ethical behavior in business. Corporate culture, corporate ethics. Government of India implemented various rules to be there, corporate social responsibility, CSR, due to this reason only. Corporate responsibility. According to CII, corporate governance deals with laws, procedure, practices and implement rules that determine a company's ability to take managerial decisions. Any type of claims to be there, we have to implement plan in particulars for shareholders, for stakeholders and their employees to be. So in this corporate ethics, if CSR or the corporate governance policies should be implemented as per the government norms. Government norms. What is to be there? The corporate governance. Because corporate governance is nowadays plays a vital role in this, and in certain times a typical dilemma faced by the strategic managers is to somehow reconcile the pragmatic demands of work to an ethical framework. This is the main. If day by day government of India, they have developed this type of concepts to be there. Like if you have to look at एक सिंपल मिल्क का पैकेट सबके आता होगा, आप उसमें देखिए, उसमें बाकी सब चीजें तो लिखी होंगी, कहां से प्रोडक्शन होता है, कितनी कॉस्टिंग होगी, एक चीज लिखा होता है यूज्ड अप टू, एक डेट कि आप इस तक यूज कर लीजिए और इन द स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशंस वाज देयर। व्हाई? बिकॉज कोई भी एक्ट कैसा भी प्रोडक्ट हो, कभी ना कभी उसकी डिक्लाइनिंग स्टेज होगी और कभी ना कभी वो डिके हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा। तो किसी भी प्रोडक्ट, किसी भी वैल्यूज, किसी भी फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री, किसी भी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो, सब whatever. So the values and ethics as per the company norms, we have to mention that particular segment is to be there. So whatever the values, whatever the traditions, what they say. So in the personal values and ethics are especially important for strategies as they are custodian of immense economic power vested in business organization by the society. And besides this, because what they study we should follow, the position of personal values by strategists is good, but the important issue is whether it is right to let them affect the consideration of strategy formulation and implementations. So if I am a businessman, should we apply various values and ethics in the business? Someone say yes, someone say no. I'm just asking relevant questions to you there. Can strategists prevent their personal values? If I'm a business manager, can I implement the personal values affecting strategy formulation and implementation? बताइए, हमें कुछ भी करने से पहले अपनी पर्सनल वैल्यूज को अपनी स्ट्रेटजी और उसके फॉर्मुलेशन इंप्लीमेंटेशन में जोड़ना चाहिए या नहीं? It's depend on system to system, organization to organization, but as per the company norms and the corporate governance, we should follow not the personal values, but we should follow the values which is known as the corporate values and the corporate ethics we should implement in the corporate dossiers and the mandatory disclosures in that. So executive in charge of a company destined do not look exclusively to what a company might or can do. They sometimes seem heavily influenced by what they personally want to do. This is the main thing. Sometimes they just put down their values and ethics outside and do whatever the top management or they want in the institutions to be there. So it should not be like that. Because for the strategy implementation, whatever the application life cycle was there, we have to use it, that type of system by which really our strategy should work. So now, in this values and ethics comes down now. So values and ethics and strategy. How? There has to be right connection between value, ethics and strategy. Right? Then, it is imperative that strategists take strategic decisions not only on the basis of purely economical reasons, but also consider values and ethical part of that. So, business ethics has traditionally been considered to integrate core values such as honesty, trust, respect and fairness into strategic management. Once again, honesty, then what I told, trust, then respect, then fairness. What does it mean? Honesty in what terms? Whatever we are doing, whatever we have done, whatever we have already consumed the things to be there, we should be very honest to our surroundings. If people are associated with us, if you have taken any merger, any acquisition, if you have taken any type of strategic formulations, we should inform to our team members, our person, now we are doing these things and you should be ready for this. Even we should take up the trust values. If any strategic decision you are taking, you should take up the trustworthy to others also. They should take up their trustiness on yours. Then you give respect to your employees as well as your superiors as well as your subordinate. Because every man has certain values. That's why they are in the institutions. So in the respect, we have to take care of the strategic manager, because at certain time we take a lot of strategic decisions due to the company's need and values. For establishment, because we have already know about the product life cycle and the company's life cycle was there, in which certain thing declining phase, in the declining phase certain action can be taken place. Even this, if you have to look after in the COVID positions earlier, in the COVID time, Government of India take up a lot of measures to be taken place. So, because they have given the respect toward the side of their professional achievement. And whatever we are doing, we should be very fair. Otherwise, fair means we should give a clear-cut idea of that. So, whatever the strategy, whatever the values is to be, whatever the ethical process is to be kept here, we should be very, very clear-cut. And a significant change is occurring in considering business ethics as central or managing organizations. And companies are formulating value-based strategy. Value-based. Globally consistent codes for ethical understanding and appropriate decision making at all levels as they face immense external challenges nowadays. So there should be a clear-cut idea, there should be a clear-cut values, there should be a clear-cut justification of that. Otherwise, what happens? If we are not showing that, like an example, at the introductory phase, if you launch a company like public limited company, you have to float your shares in the market, and someone has purchased your shares, they have to be part of that also. But you are doing business good, well, sufficient, in a growth phase is already there, but you are not ready to give down their dividend of what? government of India, they have to put on certain SEBI like structure has to be there, because every industry, if they have to use it, these norms, so they should give proper implications of that norm by the mandatory disclosures. Even corporate social responsibility like that was there. In this you have to put down. Even Gita, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran, whatever the treatises was there, they have to show this thing, this type of values is to be there, in which we have taken these things. So in this values and in whatever the system, whether it's a new organization, whether it's an old organization, whether it's a parent organization, whether it's a sister organization, whatever, so we should take care in every moment, because values and traditions, strategy implementation is totally based on this. This is very vast topic, because if we are not fair on the basis of strategy implementation, if we study that we have to retrench the people, so clearly you could show down why this process is to be taken care. If we have to put down a 360-degree personal performance appraisal, so you should show that why this thing is to be there. Earlier, I've seen in a movie was there, movie देख रहा था, उसमें ओनर डेवलपमेंट चाहता है, लेकिन वो डेवलपमेंट क्या चाहता है ये लोगों को उसने बताया नहीं. He just put on the computerization in all the sections, और जो कंप्यूटर जो टाइपिंग करते थे उनके मन में ये आ गया कि लाओ कंप्यूटर आ रहा है तो शायद उनकी नौकरी चली जाए. Now, the principle of HR is the right person at the right place at the right time at the right values, and our ethical values show भाई किसी भी तरह कोई ऐसा काम ना करे कि किसी आदमी की रोजी रोटी चली जाए. ये हमारे इथिक्स कहते हैं, इथिकल वैल्यूज, हमारे पुराने ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज में से, कि अगर हम किसी को जिंदगी दे नहीं सकते तो उसे मार भी नहीं सकते. दूसरा, रोटी देने वाला सबसे बड़ा पुण्य का काम है. एज मच एज पॉसिबल वी कैन डू दैट. नाउ दैट मूवीज, तो a lot of stress is to be shown in that movies to be there, but if as per the mandatory disclosure nowadays is to be there, if we are doing this type of process, we should take up the confidence from that employees. Now we are sending you on a training session for computerization process. All of you are safe, don't worry, we will take up phase by phase to send you trainings, and after this your efficiency will be increased. Confusion will be changed, because they have increased their respect also towards the side of yours, because you have given a clear-cut skill development tools to that employees. Because nowadays is a very tough गला काट, जिसको कहते हैं गला काट स्पर्धा चल रही है. डे बाय डे लोग एक दूसरे से आगे बढ़ने के लिए किसी को किसी भी लेवल पे गिरा देना चाहते हैं. So whatever the strategy we have to implement, we should take up all the values, all the values of traditions to you. Otherwise, what happens to you? Our business, our society, we are running the business in the society, and each and everything, whatever, if any employees associated with us, they are totally fair of us, and we have to look after. And it's to be taken कि हमें सबको साथ लेके चलना पड़ेगा, otherwise we cannot develop a good organizational culture was there. So we are, even it's not possible to do the work in alone. So for the alone purpose we have to do. Alone may be possible if you are running only a single clinic just to give the prescription, then you can run all the things. But if you want to give the medicine, you have to, if you have a clinician, so again you need some person to be there. Then cleanliness is to be there. हर काम आप अकेले नहीं कर सकते. For that you need the person to be society. So in this strategy implementation from values and ethics, we should practice explicit rules and manage decision making by views of the shareholders, creditors, and the state of employees to be there. If we are not implemented these things, so we cannot sit down, we will run in a very efficient manner. So whatever the norms, whatever the positions, whatever the values, every strategy is good, nice, this is it. But how we have to implement? जैसे कहते हैं कि पार्ले जी सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बिस्कुट कोई नहीं, लेकिन सबके लिए तो जिसको हाई शुगर उसको भी पार्ले जी खिला दें, maybe, may not be. I'm not criticizing, I'm not telling. But मे बी पॉसिबल वो चीज उसके लिए अच्छी नहीं हो. सेम थिंग इन द स्ट्रेटेजिक एनवायरनमेंट, स्ट्रेटेजिक वैल्यूज, वॉट एवर द वैल्यूज एंड एथिक्स इज टू बी शोन डाउन बाय योर pioneers, by your business owners, whatever the relation, we should implement step by step, and we should follow certain values and strategy in the means of the strategy. And the final things is to be there, whatever the things, because significant change is occurring in considering businesses as a center to managing organization. So organization cannot be managed without a proper business ethics and values. So ethics and values should be taken in a very appropriate decision making processes at all levels with immense external challenges. If the challenges is like that, definitely we will achieve the success of that. So in this today's scenario, we have seen that whatever the values and ethics applied, may be applied in the due run, we have played really in need of that in today's business scenario. So this is the overall values and ethics of the implementation process. So whatever the values and ethics toward the side of your organization, it should be properly monitored and implemented as per the norms of the authorities. Even values and ethics is like a pillar of the institution, so we should give respect to them. Now I think this is the overall things is to be there, and all of you should clearly understand the concept of that. Thank you.